how to improve your English. Improving English is very important for communication, education, and career opportunities. There are many ways to become better at English. First, practice reading regularly. Reading books, newspapers, and online articles help you learn new words and understand sentence structures. Second, listen to English every day. You can watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or follow English songs. Listening improves your pronunciation and understanding of how native speakers talk. Third, practice speaking English as much as possible. You can speak with friends, teachers, or join English speaking clubs. Speaking regularly builds confidence and fluency. 4. Write in English, keeping a diary, writing emails, or short essay helps improve grammar and vocabulary. Correcting your mistakes makes your English stronger. Finally, learn new vocabulary and grammar rules step by step. Using a dictionary or learning apps can be very helpful. Be patient and consistent because improving a language takes time and effort. By reading, listening, speaking, and writing regularly, anyone can improve their English skill. Practice every day, stay motivated, and soon your English will become much better.